Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to chromebookparts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. On the old digitizer, peel up the home button cable from the adhesive. Use the metal spudger to gently pry the home button free from the adhesive underneath, but be careful so as not to rip the cable from the home button. Remove the support bracket and remove the rubber adhesive ring. Use the metal spudger if necessary to remove any remaining pieces of the ring. Remove the inner peel of the new adhesive ring. And apply the adhesive ring to the home button. The cable will lay flatter if you line one nubbin up with the home button cable. Scrape the adhesive off the bracket. And apply new adhesive to the bracket. You can find a link to the adhesive we used in the description below. Then apply some red adhesive tape to the flip side. Attach the bracket adhesive to the little gold strip of the home button cable. Peel off the outer adhesive from the home button, and peel off the adhesive on the home button bracket. Replace the home button, and be sure to line it up correctly before setting the adhesive.